In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page in Unbounce from a blank template. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Unbounce. Click the official result to reach the home page, then log into your account so you can access the builder. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create New. When Unbounce asks what you want to make, select Landing Pages. You'll see a gallery of templates, but for full control, choose Start with a blank page. Give your landing page a clear, descriptive name so it stays organized as you build and test. Then click Start with this template to launch the Classic Builder. Inside the builder, focus on the left-hand panel. This is your toolbox, where you'll find all the elements you can add. Begin by dragging sections onto the blank canvas. Think of sections as the structural blocks of your page, great for creating a hero area, features, social proof, and a footer. Laying out sections first makes it easier to maintain a clean hierarchy and consistent spacing. Within each section, drag in the elements you need: text for headlines and body copy, images or videos for visuals, forms for lead capture, and buttons for your calls to action. Place elements where they make sense for your message flow. Keep headlines concise and benefits forward, and use buttons that clearly state the action you want visitors to take. Click any element on the canvas to customize it. On the right-hand panel, you'll adjust styling details like font family, size, color, backgrounds, borders, padding, and margins. Use consistent fonts and spacing to keep your design cohesive. You can also set sizing and responsiveness options, including width and height, to make sure your layout behaves well across devices. For forms, configure the fields you need and set the submission behavior, such as where leads are sent or what confirmation the visitor sees. For buttons, choose the link destination and tailor hover effects to give clear feedback when users interact. To affect the entire page at once, open the Page Properties tab on the right. Here you can set the page background and establish global font styles for a unified look. Next, visit the Goals tab to define what counts as a conversion. Form submissions or key button clicks, so performance is tracked accurately. Use the desktop and mobile toggles to switch views and refine the mobile layout. Adjust element sizes and positions to maintain readability and tappable buttons. Save regularly using the button in the top right. When you're ready, click Preview to see the page as visitors will. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish your landing page.